Hey guys, this is a video on how to measure voltage on a series circuit. So here I have a series circuit set up with two bulbs and two batteries, and we have a multimeter here we're going to use to measure voltage. Let's look at how the multimeter is set up first to measure voltage. It's different than how you measure current. So you could see on the left side there is an arrow here, and it's pointing towards the number 20 under the V. Alright, so you need that. And the plugs here, it doesn't matter which color goes in which, but one plug needs to be in the V, that's the middle one, and one needs to be in the top plug, that's the 10A plug. Okay? So that's how you set up the meter. Alright, now how do you touch the meter to the circuit to measure voltage? Secure my phone up here, and we'll look at it. Okay, so there's our circuit, right? And let's measure the voltage of the batteries. Let's do that first. So we'll zoom in on the batteries right there, and I'll put my meter over here. Take your two prongs, right, and touch one to one side of the battery, right there, one side of the battery holder, and one to the metal on the other side of the battery holder. And you can see the voltage of the battery is about 2.5. It's about the middle number there, alright? Or maybe 2.4, right? So you basically touch to either side of the battery to find the voltage of the battery, alright? Now to measure the voltage dropped at each bulb, it's kind of the same thing as the battery. You just touch to either terminal of the bulb, though. So here's my two prongs. I touch one to the in terminal and one to the out terminal. And you can see the voltage dropped at that bulb. It's about 1.1 volts. And I could do the same thing for the other bulb. I could touch the meter to one side of the bulb and touch it to the other side of the bulb there. And the voltage dropped at that bulb is 1.3 volts. So basically, to find voltage of anything, you just touch the meter to either side of whatever you're trying to find. You know, either side of the bulb or either side of the battery. And just make sure to set up your multimeter correctly, with the arrow pointing towards the 20 and the plugs in the top two slots.